Hello people, hello everyone. This is me outside on July the 7th, 2026. Today is Tuesday, so it's Tuesday, July 20... Oh, sorry again. Today is Tuesday, July the 7th, 2026. I'm outside. I'm in my Thailand cap, but I'm having a beautiful, lovely Indian dinner, which is there. If you can see it, just there. If I do that, you'll see it all there. No, I've never done this before. If I change my camera, you actually will see it. So, if I change my camera, I don't know how to do it. Oh.